Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Exchange bank account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Exchange Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for an option labeled Security or Security Settings to access your security preferences. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. This may be listed as Enable 2FA or two-step verification. Click on this option to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your authentication method, you may need to verify it by entering a code sent to your chosen device. Once verified, make sure to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation that 2FA is now enabled on your account. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Exchange bank account, enhancing your security and protecting your financial information.